Sick of spending your weekends vacuuming and mopping? Here are the 5 best Shark Stratos 2-in-1 robot vacuums and mops I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Let's kick things off with the robot vacuum cleaner that combines a vacuum and mop for just $89.98. At this price point, it caught my attention for its impressive 5200 PA suction power. If you want a budget-friendly way to tackle both vacuuming and mopping, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 5200 PA suction means it can pick up everything from pet hair to crumbs, and the self-charging feature ensures it's always ready when you need it. Plus, the personalized cleaning adjustments let you tailor its performance depending on your home's needs. It's already been bought by over 7,000 people this month, which speaks volumes. Now, some people complained about the vacuum's navigation, saying it can get stuck on obstacles. Here's the thing though, if you have a mostly open floor plan, you'll likely find this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable solution that covers both vacuuming and mopping without fuss. Skip this one if you have a lot of furniture that might trip it up. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the navigation issues of this vacuum concerned you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Stratos Upright Vacuum AZ3002. The Stratos Upright Vacuum for $299.99. The first thing that caught my eye was the Duo Clean Power Fins, designed to efficiently capture hair and dirt from carpets and hard floors. If you want powerful cleaning capabilities, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The self-cleaning brush roll means no more hair wrap, a huge relief if you have pets. It also features odor neutralizer technology, keeping your house smelling fresh while it cleans. Over 5,000 of these vacuums have been sold this month, highlighting its popularity. Now, some users have mentioned that it's a bit heavy compared to other models. Here's the thing though, if you don't mind a bit of weight for enhanced suction power, then this is still a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you have multiple pets or just want a thorough clean without the hassle. Skip this one if lightweight design is your top priority. Considering its features, it's worth every penny. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for homes with pets. Product number 3, AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. Coming in at $279.99, we have the AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. The first thing I noticed was the Matrix Clean navigation system, which uses advanced mapping to clean more efficiently. If you want to take the guesswork out of cleaning, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its 60-day capacity and XL self-empty base, you won't have to worry about emptying it constantly, especially if you have pets. Plus, the voice control feature is a huge convenience, allowing you to direct it with simple commands. It's already gained a lot of attention with over 2,000 purchases this month. Now, some reviewers pointed out that the voice control can be a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing though. Once you get the hang of it, it's a game changer for hands-free cleaning. This is perfect for you if you want a smart cleaning solution that requires little maintenance. Skip this one if you're not tech savvy. It's a worthwhile investment for the time it saves you. Now, if the AI features intrigued you, the next product has a unique twist on its cleaning capabilities. Product number 4. Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo AV2610WA. We have the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo AV2610WA priced at $417. I was impressed by its sonic mopping feature, which claims to scrub away tough stains. If you want a deep clean without lifting a finger, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The powerful suction combined with the HEPA bagless self-empty base means you not only get dirt but also allergens removed from your home. With the home mapping feature, it can navigate and clean efficiently, making it perfect for mixed surfaces. It's garnered a lot of attention, with 1,000 units sold recently. Now, some users felt the price was a bit steep for a robot vacuum. Here's the thing though, If you're serious about maintaining a clean home, especially with pets, the investment can pay off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you need a thorough clean on both carpets and hard floors. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. The features justify the price tag for what it offers. All right, that was a powerful option, but if you're looking for something that's a bit more versatile, check out the last product. Product number 5, Stratos Cordless Vacuum IZ862H. We have the Stratos Cordless Vacuum priced at $299.99. What really stood out to me was the CleanSense IQ, which adjusts suction based on the surface it's cleaning. If you want a vacuum that adapts to your needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, you can tackle multiple rooms without needing a recharge. The included anti-allergen brush helps capture dust and allergens, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers. This model has also seen its fair share of sales, with 1,000 units sold this month. Now, some complaints noted that it's not as powerful as a traditional vacuum. Here's the thing though, its adaptability makes it perfect for daily maintenance and quick cleans without the hassle of cords. This is perfect for you if you want a cordless option that's easy to maneuver. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty cleaning. It's a great value for the convenience it offers. We have the budget-friendly robot vacuum cleaner combo, the powerful Stratos upright, the smart AI ultra voice control, the thorough robot vacuum and mop combo, and the versatile Stratos cordless vacuum. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the AI ultra voice control robot vacuum because of its smart features that really take the stress out of cleaning. Avoid the robot vacuum and mop combo if you're looking for robust performance with heavy dirt. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.